Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Baba Money. It is Wednesday. Hump day today. Hope you guys are doing well. Pandas. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready today? Pandas. 8:30 pandas. Huge news. Enough to pass any account here on that news spike. CPI numbers. Who cares what they really were? All that matters is that we got huge volatility. And if you look on the top left of your screen, you can see that we have passed some accounts, but we're going to go ahead and try to pass some more evals because obviously it takes a day for the accounts to get funded. So we're fully funded again, but we're gonna need to trade some evals. Let's get some evals. Today is 9/11. I didn't even think about that. Never forget, seriously. Never forget. 9/11 was crazy. But you know, kids these days, they don't even know what it is. They don't know what's the big deal. They're just like, who cares? 9/11 was crazy. It was actually crazy. Selmo 1, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you're here. Pandas. Let's get some bamboo. I'm gonna be trading really aggressively because these are evals, and we're gonna try to get funded on stream if we can. Charles Wilson, good morning. It's a $9,000 profit target today. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, if you look on the top left, we already passed. You know, we already have a couple passed. So, Ricardo, good morning. Irby, welcome, welcome. Every time you scalp that like button, every time you drop a GM in the chat, a new panda, baby panda is born. Save the baby pandas. Herbie says, don't rush. Is that my problem? Is that what it has been? I've been rushing. I'm trying to rush my trading. It could be. I almost today just wanted to trade with limit orders. That's it. Well, we're getting some movement right now. Quickly, daily chart. We have popped up here, right? Strong bear bar. No follow through on the strong bear bar ending near its low. Absolutely no follow through here. The weekly chart may try to trigger some sort of second entry long to make a failure. We'll see. So the weekly chart does like a second entry long. It could look very bullish on the daily chart. It could look very bullish on intraday charts. You're gonna get hella funded again, but patiently. I mean, top left of your screen. I'm already funded. I'm funded on 4 of my accounts here. The top 4, we're gonna try to. These are evals. But the bottom 4 are funded, are past evals essentially. So we got funded 4 accounts at least. So we're gonna just trade evals today. We're gonna try to get funded on stream. That'd be great. I like to trade funded accounts on stream just because it means much more. But hey, I'll take the evals as well. Irby. Market just opened. I'll take the opening reversal. If we get a fail second entry long, I'll take it. That's a bar reversal. We're frozen in time and space. I wasn't gonna take an outside bar reversal. Too risque. Let's wait for our setup here. Pandas, you guys ready to make some bamboo? Second edge is short here. Do I like it? I like how that first leg is so strong. Typically looking for another leg up, right? A new high. So even the second entry triggers, probably looking for a new high here. Okay. Second entry short. Does trigger. Decent push down actually. Maybe looking for a new low instead. But this push up was so strong. I just feel like it's probably looking for a new high here. Probably looking for a new high here. Probably. Yeah. New high created. Now that the new high is created, anything can happen. Essentially double top here. Higher low, okay. Are we in a limit order market, pandas? Or are we in a stop order market right now? Something very interesting happened. 5-minute chart comes down, fills the gap. That spike down fills the gap, push back up. Very interesting. Why do I trade the 500 tick chart? It's simply risk. The average candle size on the 500 tick chart is around 10 points. And that's basically what I'm looking for. That's how much I'm willing to risk and kind of the minimum I'm looking for to make on every trade. So that's why I use the 500 tick chart. I mean, it's as simple as that. There's no other reason really. And 500 ticks is a lot of opportunity as well. This looks like it's going to make a new low here. There it is. Push down further even? Probably. Okay. See, I'm gonna pause. Pandas, how y'all doing today? How are you all doing? How are you doing on your trading journeys? Let me ask you guys, I'm curious. Big push down. Did you guys make it to Payout City this year? I can proudly say yes. I can proudly say yes. Goodness gracious. It was quite a struggle. And we're kind of going back into Struggle City. Which sucks. I thought, you know. Thought we're turning a corner for a second. Lower high here off a trend line. First entries. Do I like my first entries here though, pandas? Do I like my first entries here? Not really. Second entries. Second entry. Maybe. It's a decent looking one. Coming off the previous day's close though. It's like on a support right now. You're almost better off trading the trap here, in my opinion. Does trigger a second entry short. Do I like the trap? Maybe. Trap is beneath the 20 EMA. That's good. That's nug. That's a nug. Super nug. Trap does trigger though beneath the 20 EMA. Trap does trigger, but it's beneath the 20 MA. Hard to take that trade, in my opinion. I usually like to trap on the. I usually like to trade on the correct on like the same side of the EMA. Like if I'm going long, I like the price action to be above the 20 MA. If I'm going short, I like the price action to be beneath. And if it's in trading range, then those rules change. But for the most part, that's how I like it. I feel most comfortable that way. Herbie says slow and steady pandas. Pandas are notorious for being slow. They're notorious for being goofy. Little goofballs. Have you ever seen a video of a panda? They just have zero survival instincts. Here we go. In this trade. Oh my gosh. Okay. Kind of want to extend the initial the core position here. Okay, big push up. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. The scalp's so quick, pandas, that I couldn't even change my position, but I got 10 points like immediately. Ooh, is it gonna stop me out right away? Hope not. If there's no follow through on this, then that's probably all we're gonna get here. The second thing is there's a bunch of threshold I lost here. Right, I lost all this threshold here. Yeah, it sucks. I lost about like $500 of threshold. Unfortunate. Another push down here. I don't like it, right? The trade I took was a 2,500 tick trap. That was a trade I took, and it filled immediately. You know, I mean, I guess I would have looked for the 1-to-1 technically. Didn't reach the 1-to-1 yet, so it's actually a failed trade. That's actually a failed trade. Like if you're gonna take that 10 out of 10 times, you got to get a 1-to-1 every time at least. At least. I mean, it still hasn't failed yet technically. But it doesn't look good. It does not look good at all. Essentially V bottoms here. Alright, what shenanigans are happening here right now? What shenanigans are happening here right now? It's unfortunate though, pandas, because I really wanted a little more than that, but it is what it is. Surprisingly, pandas, with that one single trade, you could have passed an eval. Believe it or not. Right, with that one single trade, you could have passed an eval. You need 26 points on the 150k accounts to pass an eval. Yep, this is like, it went down to like 30 points. So you could have passed an eval with that one trade. How cool is that? How cool is that, pandas? How stinking cool is that? Alright, lower high. Okay. I mean, looks like some sort of channel here developing. If you get another push down, I'll take it. If you get another push down, I'll take it. Take a lower high here. I'll take a lower high. Okay, I'll try here. Just with 5 contracts. Looks a bit bullish now with that little pop up. Okay. Not the best looking signal bar. All these whoa. Okay. Don't get into it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Almost entered that trade. That's your signal bar. No bueno. No, thank you. No gracias. No muchas gracias. No. All right. Here we go. Starting to do something funky here. Triangular pattern. And now we're pushing down. Okay. It is what it is. It looks like it's gonna push down hard, like very strong. Looks like it wants to push down strong. I might take a trap trade here. If he gives it to me, I'll take the trap trade. Remember that 1-to-1 still in play here on the 2500 tick chart. This 1-to-1 here needs to get down to this level here for the 1-to-1 to be completed. All right, you still haven't got stopped out if you're in this trade as a bear. Jeez. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Takes me out break even. The trade got all messed up, Handos. The trade got all messed up.
Target filled.
The trade got all messed up because I tried to. That is frustrating. I really like that trade a lot. And we obviously crushed that 1-to-1. Goodness gracious, pandas. I can't even. It moves so fast. I can't move my things around. I can't put my orders around. I can't move them fast enough. Man, that's what I mean. This is end up not even being. It's a reflex. This is a reflex challenge. This is not even a trading challenge anymore. This is a reflex challenge. How fast can you move your orders around? The hand-eye coordination might as well be playing CS:GO. Trying to get headshots. The precision you need to get right in there, right at the right time, is just it's almost it's impossible, pandas. You're about to say the trade got all F. Believe it or not, I'm not in real life, pandas. I don't cuss on stream. I also don't cuss in real life. I don't really cuss. I don't really have a potty mouth. It's something I'm quite proud of, actually. It's very hard to not have a potty mouth. I don't really cuss. It's come to a point where it's actually difficult for me to say a cuss word. Like I can't even, like even if I wanted to, it doesn't come out of my mouth. It's hard. It's very difficult. I mean, we're in a downtrend. It's hard for me to go long here. Even with a trap trade, I mean, we're just in a downtrend right now, just in this channel. As long as we're just a channel, like it's gonna be hard for me to go long. If anything, I'll take a trade off the channel, top of the channel here. Couple good trades here, but the market actually, I mean, something I shouldn't really complain. It's a good problem. The market's moving so fast and finishing my order so quickly that I can't adjust my order quick enough. So I'll take it, but man, pandas, I mean, this is a Nascraq for a reason, right? It's called a Nascraq for a reason, pandas. The NASCAR. It's like NASCAR, but the NASCAR. This is faster than a NASCAR. Alright, pandas. What is happening? Sorry about that. Where are we? What are we doing? What are we doing here? Okay, keeps pushing down. I can't get an entry. That's a second entry short, but it's above the 20 EMA. Like, if I was trying to do a short, I need more room to the 20 EMA. Like, it'd have to be up here. It's hilarious when you're around parents when they don't have their kids with them. They cuss so much, it's like they're going through cuss withdrawal. It's all pent up cussing that they want to say. All that pent up cussing. You could go short here. Why not? Why not go short here? Are we in a limit order market or stop order market? It feels like a stop order market, to be honest. Starting to have some overlap, but nothing I'm super concerned about. Triangular formation here. Pops up a little bit. Okay. 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 Trap trade to go long? Outside bar reversal. Okay. Coming to the top of the channel here. I mean... I'm gonna short here, see what happens. I'm gonna risk 10 points. I don't really want to risk more than that. Ooh, maybe reverse my trade here. Okay, or not. Or not.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay.
Target filled.
Okay. Okay. I mean, why not? Why not shoot for the stars on this next one? Pandas. Oh. Huh? What the? What do you think you're doing, market? Excuse me. Excuse me. How could you reverse 2 points away from my target here? Jeez Louise. Have you have no manners? What a rude looking market. I mean, is there much difference from here to here? Not really. Hand us. What's going on? Come on. Don't even think about reversing here. Why would you miss my target by 2 points? That is just so rude. So rude of you. Okay. Inside bar. Inside bar breaks to the... Oh, yuck. Yuck. Pandas. Why would it do that? Panda, my internet's bugging. Every time it loads back up, I got more bamboo. Let's go. Beep. Pandas, by the way, a little secret. A little secret when it comes to watching any stream on YouTube. Watch in 2x speed. Watch it in 2x speed. That's how you can get as close as you possibly can. Yeah, the market heard me laughing at it, and it just felt like it wanted the last laugh here. It's all good though, Pandas. We're getting some good trades though. We're getting some good trades. That's just a runner, Pandas. We already got the core. We already got the core of the position. Trap trade. Why not? Double position here. We're in a serious downtrend, but I'm going to try to go long here like a madman. Like an absolute psychopath right here, Pandas. Absolutely insane. Do not copy my trades. Highly advise against this trade here. It's a dumb trade. Watch it fail like in 1 millisecond. In 1 millisecond. Watch it fail. You're wondering if he thinks it's gonna fail, why is he gonna do it anyways? Content, Pandas, content. Whoa, doesn't fill me. Whoa, doesn't fill me. Come on, fill me. No. Oh man, now I don't want to enter the trade, and it comes back down to fill me. I tried to cancel it. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it, Pandas. Couldn't cancel it. It shoots up and then fills me. It goes past my Pandas. How frustrating is that? How absolutely frustrating is that? That is what tilt is made of. Those are the things that put you on max tilt, Pandas. Those are the little things that put you on max tilt. Okay. Just gotta be perfect here. Gotta just be perfect trading from now on, Pandas. Perfect trading from now on. That's it. That's all we need. That's all I need to do right now is perfect trading. Piece of cake, Pandas. Piece of cake here. Perfect trading. So easy. Perfect. Your Panda. Lie, I've heard better from you, man. You could do better. You could honestly do much better than that. The market's cringy. The chat's jokes are cringy. I mean, come on, Pandas. Let's break out that cringe right now. Let's name it and claim it. Big push down. Okay. Cool. New low created. I gotta jump on these like second pushes down here. Lower highs. Right, it's just a lower high. Lower lows, lower highs being created. I mean, what's the worst that can happen, Pandas, right? What's the worst that could actually happen here, Pandas? You know what I'm saying? What's like the absolute worst that can happen? Oh my gosh, that is the worst thing that can happen. It completely reverses the moment it enters the trade. But I believe, Pandas. I believe. Oh man, this is not good. I think I've done messed it up here. I think I've done messed it up here. Oh boy, oh, my account's busted. Whoo! Sorry, I'm spammed from people trying to tell me that voting is important even though they have no way to hold the people to account that you vote for. Ah, I see. There's a second entry short one I should have waited for. Wow, pandas. That's... I had the right direction, but the wrong timing, pandas. The right direction, but the wrong timing right there. Pandas, 1 second. I'll be right back. Pandas. Let's reload here, pandas. Let's reload. We're locked and loaded, pandas. Let's reload here real quick. We are reloaded, pandas. I mean, that's the nature of evals trading aggressively. Like, you're gonna bust your accounts a bunch if you trade aggressive, especially on the Nascraq. We're just in this channel right now, pandas. I'm gonna tidy up the channel. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna make it touch that top here. The bottom looks good actually. The bottom's like almost perfect, pandas. Bottom's hitting every single time. Let's see, pandas. What do we have here in store for us today? Let's see here, pandas. Pushes down. I mean, do I have to do max pain? Please, I don't want to. Whoa! Whoa! Pandas. It's that easy. Trading is that easy. It's so easy. All you gotta do is bust your first account. And then the second time around, it's easier. It's like you should purposely trade sim in the first hour to take the rust off. And then once the rust is shaken off, then you go into your real accounts. Like you just start off with simulation. That's how every day you should start off and just see if you're feeling your groove. If you can read the price action, if you're ebbing and flowing, all right? If you're doing that, and then once you feel like you are, and you're reading the price action correctly, jump onto the real accounts. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean, pandas? I feel like that's sometimes what you just gotta do. Jump on that sim, trade as best as you can, see if you're actually reading the market correctly. And once you feel confident, jump in. Jump on the actual funded accounts. It's that easy, pandas. Second, just short triggering on the 2500 tick. Yikes. I mean, that's your signal bar. That is ugly trading. That's an ugly setup. Second entry long here. I don't think I can take the second entry long, even though it looks nice. We got about 6 overlapping bars in a row here. I don't know if I could even take the trap trade here, to be honest, if there were a trap trade. But it makes more sense to think we're going to come back into the channel here. We just broke through it. It could be a breakout retest, sure. Since I'm hesitant, I'm only trade with half my position here. Oh, I hate that. No. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is easy reversal situation. Easy reversal situation, maybe. Oh, comes up break even. My stop loss moves to break even automatically at 10 points.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. How low can you go? How low can you go? Okay. The 5-minute is showing itself to be quite choppy, to be honest. Right? It looks like it's making a pretty clear downtrend. I get stopped out. But when you look at the 5-minute, you can see all these wicks, overlapping bars. So actually, it's actually proving to be a pretty choppy market. Cool thing about choppy markets is that both bears and bulls can make money. They could also both lose money too. I guess that's the downside of it. If both bulls and bears are making money, then that means both bulls and bears are losing money at the same time. The market is a strange place. inside bar created on the 5-minute chart. A little like flaggy thing here. All right, breaks the inside bar to the downside. Ooh, interesting. Decent push down here. Very strong push down. We haven't actually reached the bottom of the spike on the news. Right, there's a spike on the news right here. That's a low of the pre-market. Most likely going to try to retest it. Another push down. If you're feeling there's strong momentum here, you can enter that trade. Do I feel like there's strong momentum? Maybe. I'll probably take a second to short here. Alright, I'll take it. I shall try. It's like 4 overlapping bars in a row though. Whoa! Oh, panda! Okay. Weird. Thinking he's gonna test these lows here? How? Not sure. Wow. Alright, almost takes me out. Very close. And I'm dead. I doesn't test the lows. When will it happen? I do not know. Okay, bounces off the 20 EMA. I guess I should have waited at least to hit that support. Maybe another second to short here, which again I'll be interested in to take a short. Clear target beneath. Let's see, pandas. Let's see if we can get to it. Clear target to the previous, to the overnight or pre-market close or pre-market low. I don't know if I want to extend more than this. Should I risk more? Should I risk more than this? I don't know if I want to. Yeah, it takes me out. Had a clear target on the previous, on the overnight low here. I'm just trying to get to it, and I thought that would be a good entry for it, but apparently not. Apparently, it's not. We trade different strategies, but cry the same. That's true. No matter who you are, you always cry when you trade. Okay, maybe I should have extended it. I could have lived. I could have lived and got to my target. My stop loss was too small. Ends up hitting the target I was hoping for, but my stop loss was just too small. And that is what it is, pandas. I felt like it wasn't worth extending it. And it definitely was worth extending it. Whoo, pandas, man, takes me out to the T, which is unfortunate. It's happening a lot, right? It's like taking me out. It's like one of those markets where you put your order where your stop is, right? Like if I enter here and if I say, okay, I enter here, I'll put my stop loss up here. Now that I know that, I should actually put my order where my stop loss is. Like one of those markets. I'm like tilted, pandas. I'm like so tilted. I might just sell, sell, sell. Sell anywhere, everywhere type situation. Pull back. For another push down here.
Target filled.
I prefer if it doesn't take me out, of course. I'd prefer that. Wait, what? Why? Wait, what? My accounts got busted? Which accounts got busted? Oh, for some reason, half my accounts got busted. I'm so confused. That's so confusing. I don't know. For some reason, half my accounts got busted. I don't know why. That's the magic of rhythmic. Well, the other half is not busted, so let's go. Let's do this. Alright, takes me up. Break even. Very confused here. Very confused here, actually. Very confused here. I'm very confused. I'm guessing it's good, bad, good. Alright. Interesting. For some reason, half my accounts got busted. I don't even know. The magic of rhythmic. Looks like I just short here. Okay, this trade. Doesn't look good. Doesn't feel good. Something about it's not right. Something about it's not right, pandas. Something about this trade is not right. Something about it's not right, pandas. I don't like it.
Target filled.
Okay, I should have held it. Darn it! I should have just held it, pandas. I should have just held it. Something did not look right about that. I'll tell you that much. Something was a little bit off right there. Try another push down here. How quickly do you lose these trades? Is the question. Okay. I'll just take the hit. Big hit, big hit. Where are we right now? We're A-okay, pandas. We are A-okay here. Getting a little bit confusing now. Let's make another push down. Essentially creating a triangle again. Getting a bit choppy. I don't know. Looks bearish still. It's happening a lot. Takes me out and then goes down. It's happening a lot. Way too often today. A little more than usual. Stop hunting me like crazy. It is what it is. It's not like I would have made much more right now with this kind of candle. Ooh. Okay. It looks like it wants to flush. It looks like it wants to flush. Okay. Push this back up. Okay, pushes back up a lot. Very strange if it's just V-bottoms here, in my opinion. Trap trade here. I like this trap trade. Not really. I feel like we're still in a downtrend. Like a strong downtrend still. Okay, pushing down. Pushing back down into our signature short triggers on the 2500 tick. Not the prettiest setup, but it's a setup. Lower high, I'd be interested, I guess. I don't know. Decent push up. Starting to look a little bullish right now. I made my choice. I made my decision here. Busted my counts.
Gains are pushing up.
Pushes up and then pushes down. The second just short. That's what I should have waited for. The second just short. Woo. Yep, that second just short looks nice. Again, one of the instances where I put my entry or my stop loss would have been, and I would have made a nice little profit. Pandas. I mean, at least we passed our evals already. These are all just extra if we were able to pass them. Try to trade very aggressive on stream for obvious reasons. But, I know, sometimes that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Y'all know what I mean, pandas. Ooh. That lower high would have gotten me. I would have been very interested in that lower high. The fact that it fails makes it very confusing. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range, quite possibly. Darn. It is what it is, pandas. Might as well, pandas. Might as well. I mean, might as well. Might as well, pandas. Might as well. Have you ever seen 1,000 contract trade before? I mean, might as well, pandas. Might as well here. Thousand contract trade, pandas. Here we go. Whew. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Oh my Ninja Trader is frozen. I can't even move my... I'm stuck, pandas. I can't move my... I'm stuck. I just broke my Ninja Trader with 1,000 contract trade. Oh, there it is. There it is. It just took a while. It just took a while. No, I'm trying to exit. All right. All right. There it is. We'll exit the position down here. I mean, do we even need a stop loss? Not really. We exit the position as far down as we want to go, pandas. We decide our own fate here. We are the deciders of our own fate, pandas. Alright, just quick $500,000, maybe. Alright. I'm out. Alright, just $441,000 in one single trade. That's all it is, pandas. 1,000 contracts. I mean, trading is that easy. If you want to make life-changing money, that's all you need to do. Trade 1,000 contracts and trade. That's it. And go short. Could have made more. Could have made more. I was a wuss. I was a wuss of letting it go. I could have made $1 million. My Ninja Trader is so messed up right now. I can't even move my chart right now. It's so messed up. It just completely froze. Wow. Oh, there it is. Oh, now it's moving. Now it wants to move. Okay, we like unlocked it. I mean, might as well. Might as well, pandas. Big mama here. Big mama. I'm gonna set up my orders now because I know that if I don't, then it's gonna get messed up. It's gonna take too long. I could have made an easy mill here. Easy mill. But you know what's kind of funny, pandas? If you had 20 accounts with Apex and you're trading a 300K account, and you trade max contracts, which is 27 contracts per account, you actually will be trading 540 contracts. I mean, it's not too far-fetched away from what just happened. You basically make half the money I just made if you took that trade max contracts. You make half the money I just made. You'd be $250,000 up, essentially. Second entry short here. Look at all these. Look at all these guys. Crypto guys. Look at all these forex guys. You guys are finally realizing futures is the future. Crypto just short. Try, get 1K loss, 1K and get 20 points with 5 contracts. Finally pass again. Let's go. Congrats. I love it when a baby panda gets funded. Second just short. Could be a nice trade here. Could be a decent trade here. All right, we got one more trade. Locked and loaded. Big mama here. What's that P&L? The P&L is the future. It's the future. You know what? I should do this on the 5-minute chart, huh? Five-minute. Wow. Believe it or not, the 5-minute has been on one leg down this entire time. Unbelievable. The 5-minute chart has one leg down. That means we've had 0 candles where we broke above the previous candle's high. It's just a pure drop down. It's just one leg down, pandas. That means we have much more to go. That means we have way much more to go. Top left of your screen, we already passed 4. I was trying to pass a couple more on stream, but it didn't happen. Couldn't do it. Tried to trade very aggressively. But it's okay because I made almost $500,000. It's fine. I think $500,000. I'll take it. Panda gonna be a trillionaire. I'm gonna take all the money from the futures market. I'm gonna take all of it from all the institutions. Keep it for myself. Crimson Demon asks Panda, how to know that bars are big in terms of ticks? How to know? Well, I use the ATR. I use the ATR of 14 to see how big the candles are. And when your average ATR is bigger than what you're willing to risk, it's too big. I'm basically risking 10 points, minimum scalp 10 points. So essentially, I look for around 10-point ATR. The 500 tick chart provides just that. We're going to try Big Mama here, see what happens. Alright, let's see Big Mama trigger soon. we even get to this level? Let's see. Okay. Maybe we won't trigger it after all. We'll see though. It's a 5-minute Big Mama. Will it hit 10:45? Or will we trigger Big Mama? Which one will come first today, Pandas? It seems like it will be 10:45. But we'll see. If this triggers before 10:45, we'll watch the whole trade play out. And if it doesn't, we're ending the stream.
10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, Pandas, we're in. Quick 1,000 contract trade. Only got filled to 604 contracts. Didn't quite get the full 10K or 1,000. Okay.
10,000 tick trap.
I got flattened there. I got flattened because I didn't get filled all the way. I couldn't get filled my 1,000 contracts. There's Big Mama. Easy peasy, Pandas. Easy peasy. We got Big Mama. That's like, how many points is that for Big Mama? 12-point Big Mama. Easy peasy. All right, Pandas. I think that's enough shenanigans for today. Pandas, tomorrow will be funded, fully funded, and we'll be trading again tomorrow. I'll see you guys bright and early. Then trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.